All right, so this is my favorite flashlight, UltraFire Aviator A2, and it's like a $250 flashlight. So it's my favorite flashlight, but I didn't want to be carrying it around. I went to some like the outdoor festivals or Burning Man or that a couple times, right? Like I don't want to be carrying that around and lose it. So I tried to get something that was comparably sized, fit, grip. And of course, I found this UltraFire. I think it's a 501B. For like $12 or something. But I had it for, I don't know, 6-7 years now, and the light finally went out. So I was looking at what I could do to replace it, and on Amazon, for the same cost that I probably paid for the flashlight up front, there's this BestSun replacement bulb. So I'm just going to throw that in there real quick, the whole assembly, and we'll see how it works. So you can literally just take the very top off, and then you get in there and you access the whole assembly, and you can switch them out, right? So that is what I'm going to go through. Oh, I'm dropping batteries all over, but that's what I'm going to go through and do now. Now we will try the new, with the bulb, the new, this is that BestSun bulb, and it is pretty crushing. Way more powerful than the original. Up in the hills. Throws a really great focal point. Like this is, I think this is better than the original bulb that was in this UltraFire, whatever it is. I'm impressed here with not only the brightness and the intensity like at the focal point, but the silhouette or shroud or whatever you want to say that this thing casts out. It's really impressive too. You get quite a bit of light out of this. Like good light outside of it. So yeah, I'm impressed with this. This is better than the original bulb for sure. Yeah, I would recommend this. All right, so I wanted to see how this new UltraFire with the BestSun replacement bulb does compared to some of the EDC keychain flashlights I've been using the last couple days. And yeah, this is way brighter. You can see way up the trail compared to some of those, but still, I mean, it's a lot heavier, it's a lot bigger. Wouldn't put it on a keychain. So you can see if you look through some of the other videos, I made a bunch of videos on these keychain flashlights. This is obviously a lot brighter. Overall, I'm impressed with it for $12 or whatever it was. If you have one of these, and I think there's quite a few models that it is compatible with. If you have one of these, kind of cheaper flashlights, this is a good way to renovate it. So looks great. All right, thanks everybody.